Once upon a time, there were 3 billy goats living on mountainside. The largest and eldest was called the Great Billy Goat for his huge horns. The second one was slightly smaller with a silky coat and was known as the Big Billy Goat. The youngest and most handsome white one was called the Little Billy Goat. Every day, the 3 billy goats looked for rich green grass. One day, they found a meadow full of juicy grass, apple trees, and bushes with berries. But it was on the other side of a river that flowed through the valley. The little billy goat looked longingly at the apple trees in that meadow. The great billy goat longed to eat the berries there. The big billy goat just wanted some nice juicy grass. The little billy goat was so hungry that he decided to go to that meadow. "Better be careful," said the great billy goat. "You have to go across that old wooden bridge, and there's a horrible, ugly troll living under it. He eats up anything that crosses the bridge." "I want those apples," said the hungry little billy goat. "In that case, you had better go before the troll wakes up," advised the great billy goat. But the little billy goat didn't heed the warning. He went off, happily trotting over the bridge. He reached the middle of the bridge when the troll came out roaring. "Who dares to cross my bridge?" he shouted. "So it's you. You'll make a wonderful meal for me." The little billy goat was frightened out of his wits. "Please, sir," he said, "wait for my brother. He's following me and is fatter than I am. I am too skinny to be a good meal for you." Said the troll. "You are a small fellow." The troll thought for a while and then he said, "Perhaps you are right. I'll wait for your brother. You go along." The little billy goat was so happy that he ran across quickly. He saw big ripe apples lying under the trees in the meadow and had a wonderful time eating them. They were really sweet. The big billy goat watched him from across the stream and set off after him. The troll heard his hooves tapping on the wooden bridge as he trotted across. The big billy goat got a shock when the troll suddenly came out from under the bridge. "Ah, are you trotting along on my bridge?" growled the troll. "You must be his brother. Now I'm going to eat you up." "I am the little billy goat's brother, sir," said the big billy goat. "Please, don't eat me." "Why not?" asked the troll. "You are silky and soft, and you are a little fatter than your brother. You'll make a good dinner for me. Come along." "Oh, sir," wept the big billy goat, "I have another brother. He's really big. Just wait till you see him." "Could I wait again?" said the troll, getting angry. "Yes, sir," said the big billy goat. "He's coming across the bridge after me." "Oh well," said the troll after much thought. "I'll wait for him. You can go." The big billy goat dashed off at top speed across the bridge. He reached the meadow to join the little billy goat. He found the apples so rich and juicy that he ate and he ate. Both of them were so full that they lay down under an apple tree and fell fast asleep. The great billy goat saw that both his brothers had reached the meadow. It was his turn now to cross the bridge. He trotted off, his hooves sounding heavy on the wood. The troll had been waiting. He came out and shouted, "Who is thundering over my bridge?" "I am the great billy goat," he replied proudly. "Ha! The great Billy Goat," laughed the troll. "There will be nothing great when I've eaten you up." "You won't eat me, will you?" said the great Billy Goat. "You just try." The angry troll rushed towards the great Billy Goat. But the great Billy Goat was ready and waiting. He put his head down and charged at the troll, knocking into him with his powerful head and horns. With a huge splash, the troll fell right over the bridge into the river and was never seen again. The great Billy Goat trotted across the bridge to join his brothers. They were delighted that the troll had vanished. They ate the grass and apples and the berries and lived a merry life in the meadow thereafter. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.